What's going on, guys? It has been so long since I made my last video, but we're done with school now for the semester and I'm back home. Got the M3 over here, but you guys deserve a bit of an update. So as you can see, there is no longer a blue E46 over here, and would you look at that, my bucket seat is back in the M3 along with my Ryan literal steering wheel. The hydro is still in there kicking. I did end up selling my E36 about 3 weeks ago. I put it up for sale and it was gone within like 18 hours of putting it up for sale. I've decided that I'm keeping the M3 again, and I'm gonna be keeping this car as a track car and basically sliding it and rallying it and just driving it like it's meant to be driven. So since my last video, I have driven one more drift event. It was Halloween Bash, rainy, cold, wet, and I did not drive very well. I hadn't drifted in about 4 months or 5 months, at least in the M3, so it made it a little bit tricky and was a learning experience for sure. But the plus side to that event was my hydro, my handbrake is actually working now. My buddy Chad figured out there's a sensor down there, the ABS sensor. I'll put a picture on the screen what it looks like right here. By unplugging that, the car won't hit red line at standstill like rev limiter, but when you're driving, it's perfectly fine. The hydro works, it locks up great, and you know, Bob's your uncle. So in today's video, we're only gonna be unboxing this long box here. I'm gonna make a second part where I unbox that because that's gonna be a lot more stuff. So without further ado, let's get into this package here. So guys, I'm gonna open up this box. I already cut it open with my knife, you know, just to be sure. Some packing slips. And looks like we've got some stuff. Cool little flyer. This is from Street Track Life. Should probably make sure I don't show this shipping form in here. But Street Track Life got this package out. This was a pre-order from their new kit, and I ordered it as soon as I saw it. We got ourselves a roof spoiler. I'm stoked. I've yet to actually see this, so hell yeah. Sweet. So this is the E46 rear roof spoiler. For an E46, as I said, and this guy is gonna go which way? Not that way. This way? Yeah. Let me see how this thing's gonna move up. Okay. What? So this is the HM Sports rear roof spoiler for the E46 chassis. This thing is like way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And let me see if I can get a better look at it. It's gonna stick up quite a bit. I'll go from the other side too. Man, I don't know. It's kind of a lot. Excuse my garbage cans. I know they're in the shots, but look at. Let's see if we got room. Dang, son. All right. So out of the box, it does have basically like a kind of like a primary finish. It's black, but it's not like a clean black look. But it fits like perfectly under here. My car is super dirty. It's just been sitting in storage for a month, but fitment seems to look really good. I'm not sure how this actually mounts. Probably just 3M underneath here somehow. I am going to wrap this to match the roof, but I am planning on changing the color of the roof. Right now it is gold flake in the black, but I am going to end up changing this So I'll probably wrap this, whatever I change this to. But pretty happy with the quality. I mean, it fits perfectly, just exposed fiberglass under here. And pretty clean lip on this thing. And then it just kind of sits right on that window trim seal line, which is why I'm wondering how it actually mounts. Let me see. Yeah. But that is the first package, guys. I'm gonna have to look at this thing and take pictures of it and figure out if I like it. I think it's pretty cool, but the only problem with having that means I need to put something here because that's like a big roof spoiler and like my stock trunk just looks kind of goofy. So maybe I'll end up getting like a ducktail or something. That is the first package. It's the HM Sports, StreetTrackLife.com is the website. They have a full body kit for E46s, although they don't have the skirts and the bumpers for the M3s yet. That's why I only got the roof spoiler. But if they do make the kit that has the side skirts and the rear bumper for the M3 that'll fit, I might consider it in the future just because why not? Hot boy, you know, drifting. But yeah, the hydro works. I sold a car. I'm done with school, and we've got one more box to open. So if you like this video, make sure to smash that button and comment down below what you think of this wing. I will be posting pictures on Instagram at MellowM3, so you can check it out more there. And I will probably have a full video once it's installed, once it's wrapped, and go over the look of it then. Right now it's winter time in Michigan, so I'm going up skiing tomorrow. The car will probably sit for another couple weeks and then go to the shop for some other stuff and, you know, wait until springtime, go drifting, go hang out with friends, that kind of deal. So, like I said, guys, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Be on the lookout for part 2 of this unboxing because this other box is packed with sick stuff. Catch you guys in the next video.